All right, guys, welcome back. It is Saturday at 4:30 in the afternoon, and now I have the rest of the day. I just picked up one, and this one's $16, and it's 30 minutes. So I'll update you, let you know that I'm trying to pick up some big ones, keep the car moving, and it's like 5 minutes to pick them up. And we can see how much we can make. We only got a few hours left, so let's try to let's capitalize on it. Let's make some money. All right, guys. I just got another co-rider for $16, so that's a total of $30. Let's go. Let's see what happens here. All right, I'll update y'all and let y'all know. This is crazy. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and total $33, a rider and a co-rider, and it was an hour drive. An hour. And all right, let's go. So, all right, well, let's keep on going. All right, guys, come on. Yeah, all right, I'll update you, let you know how it goes. Since it's kind of late, I gotta look for some good ones. All right. Yes, there are times we can pick some up all the time, and there's sometimes we kind of don't. Since, pick. See which one works best. Gotta be careful out here. It's crazy up in here in the streets. All right. So, I don't want to sit too long either, but we're gonna find something, and I'll let you know where we go from here. All right, guys, I got me another one. This was like an $8 one. It's a short one, and it's keeping the car moving. We can't let it sit too long. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I just dropped off that one, and I picked up another one. That last one, one just canceled on me, but that last one paid me $15, and it was going toward my destination. I have my destination filter on, just because I'm probably going to do one more, and that's about it. So that's in 4 trips, $57, and I'll probably do one more for the evening time to get home. I already worked today, and then my full-time job, and I did a couple of the Uber rides, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up and do it again. All right, guys, every little bit helps. Every little bit, whatever your goal is, save. Make some money. All right, guys, one more, then I'm out. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see this. It looks blurry. Hang on, let me adjust this. All right, guys, I got me one more. I don't know if you can see that, but I got me one more. It's paying me $16 going in my direction. All right, this is probably gonna be the last one. Let's go. So it's gonna be 5 in a couple of hours. Let's be real. Let's take a look and see. I'll update you at the very end to let you know how many hours and what it took. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I just finished that one, and that one, paid me $6 going in the direction. Let's go. Come on, quit complaining. It's $6. So, let's see how much that was. What is that? So, 6 trips, $80. All right, let's say 68.67. All right, so it's 6 trips and we're done for the evening. So it's about 8:13, and I usually don't do night trips. I know a lot of people do. I don't, but that's about good enough for me. I ought to keep on staying out here, but time to get home. Tomorrow I'm going to get up bright and early and do it again, and I'll give you all the updates. I'll put all the information on there. Hey man, again, thanks for liking and subscribing. Also, man, just keep on driving. What I have noticed is that, I try to pick up some of these bigger ones, and in between the bigger ones, those little ones that are going through, had I picked up 2 or 3 little ones, I may have gotten a little bit more money. But you got to look at your hours as well too that you're doing it. You just don't want to wait for one big one and then let 5 hours go by. So kind of, time's money as well too. But all right, guys. Anyways, that's it for this evening, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Let's go.